permission to cower in your game holster.
Attention, holders. There is a rampaging robot loose in the city. For your safety, we ask that you remain in Greg's game home. While you're trapped here, why not pay a visit to Greg's food home? It's delicious. Goodbye.
I told you the ninja wouldn't show.
Smoke bomb!
I told you he would.
I told you!
Wait a second. Jackhammer's real? What the juice?
Oh, this game has a ninja? Oh, I am going to enjoy kicking your butt.
I have to stop Howard.
Yellow! Oh, hey there. I was just about to punch you. Virtually speaking.
No, Howard, you're literally punching me. Jackhammer isn't a video game. He's a real robot and he's beating up the city.
Oh, gosh, I guess I should stop, huh?
Yes, great, thank you.
Are you kidding? You are not getting into my head with that weak sauce. I am only half a mil away from your high score, buddy, and there is nothing you can say to stop me. Oh, and one other thing. Boop.
What? Call Howard.
Leave a message.
All right, Howard, you want to play? Let's play. Ninja Chainsaw. Oh, that was so Bruce. I give myself 1,000 ninja points.
That's right. I'm gonna lay down my signature move. First I taunt.
Wow, that was an offensive gesture.
Then I befuddle.
That flip seemed a bit unnecessary.
Helicopter kick!
Oh, Howard's signature move. How'd I miss that?
Well, hey there, Blinky Light. What is it that you do?
Ninja consumed! Jackhammer unlocked!
Ninja glow balls! Okay, this is bad. Really bad. Okay, Ninja Namicon, surely I'm not the first ninja to ever get trapped in a giant robot's stomach. Could use a little help here. Actually, a lot of help. The exit's through the back door. The back door! I love you, Namicon. I'm going out the butt. You have to listen to me. I'm not lying. This is all real. You have to make the robot stop.
And there you go, doing it again. Trying to get in my head and make me choke. Oh, Cunningham, desperation is not a good color on you.
A ninja must know when winning is losing and losing is winning. If I want the robot to lose, I have to let Howard win. All right, Howard. You want the high score? Come and get it. Is that all you got? That it? Archie!
I did it! I beat you, Cunningham! Oh, I did it! I'm so proud of me! I'm so proud! Cunningham, I did it! I am so much better than you!
Congrats, buddy. Now I just need you to do one more thing.
Take me home.